Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Chiamaka Ugoh and I am a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria. In today's video, we are going to be talking about skills that are guaranteed to make you lots of money in 2022. And when I'm talking about money, I do not mean 5,000 naira. Nope. What can 5,000 naira do? I do not mean 10,000 naira. I do not even mean 50,000 naira. I'm talking of 100,000 naira, 200,000 naira, 500,000 naira if you know how to market yourself very well. If you are very good, believe me, with this handwork you are going to be making tons of money. Okay, so if you are a young lady, you're a middle-aged lady, you are staying at home due to the ASU strike, you don't have anything to do, you have a 9 to 5, but you are still looking for something to learn to like augment your income, then I'll advise to watch this video to the very end. So if it sounds like something you might be interested in, you want to learn how to make money, you want to know what those profitable skills are, then I would advise to sit back, relax and enjoy today's video. But before you do so, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm begging, it is absolutely free. Also turn on your post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload a new video. And also do not forget to like this video if you enjoy watching it, share to your friends so they can also learn from the video. Okay, so let's get right into the video. So the first one is hairstyling. One profitable skill to learn is hairstyling. You will make lots of money being a hairstylist, and that is because almost everyone makes their hair. So you can decide to niche out and become a braider, or just make locks for people, or just install frontals only. Trust me, you mustn't do all of them. Just pick the one you are good at, master it very well and be good at it. The key word is to be very good at it, and trust me, if you're very good at it, you'll be having lots of customers. And what does lot of customers mean? Lots of customers means lots of money. So the second one is makeup. Despite how saturated the makeup industry is, good makeup artists will still always thrive, and that is because when people want to go out for parties, graduations, dedications and other outings, they will need the service of a good makeup artist to make them look good and peng. So the makeup industry is really wide. You can decide to niche out and be a mannequin makeup artist. Those people that are into beauty and fashion are going to book you. Okay, you can go on Instagram and check Cheeky Glams and Event Glams to see what they are doing with mannequins on Instagram. And also you can also decide to niche out and be a special effects makeup artist. Directors for movies need your service, so you must not be that makeup artist that glams people up. You can decide to niche out and you will still make money in the makeup industry. So the next one is to train to be a nail technician. As a nail technician, your job is to fix beautiful nails for people. Now, I don't mean you should fix basic nails, because those ones are not guaranteed to make you money. I'm talking of acrylic nails, gel polish, ombre, encapsulation, marble, etc. Those ones are guaranteed to make you lots of money. You can fix one set for a client and charge 20,000 naira, or even 30,000 naira, or even 50,000 naira, depending on your location. You can also decide to make press-on nails and sell to people. That one is also another source of income. So now the next one is to train to be a lash technician. As a lash technician, your job is to fix lashes for people. Now I don't mean those 1,000 naira or 500 naira lashes. No, I do not mean those ones. I mean those volume lashes, those lash extensions you can fix for a client and charge 25,000 naira. Trust me, that is a whole lot of money. Imagine you have 4 to 5 clients in a day. Do you know how much you're going to make? You are making almost 100,000 naira. Then calculate that in a month. That is a whole lot of money. So the next one is event planning. Seeing that in Nigeria there's always an event every weekend and even weekdays, you can go to an event training center and be an event planner. Now that balloon artistry is now a thing, you can also learn that and make money from those celebrating their birthdays. If you know anyone celebrating their birthday, you can go and meet them and tell them, oh, I can help you decorate your space where you are going to be celebrating your birthday, or I can even help you decorate the space or the place where you are going to be taking your photo shoot. So now the next one is catering. As a caterer, you can make money by selling food, soup bowls, stew bowls, and even catering for event center. Now there's always something to celebrate in Nigeria, so you will always have events to cater for. You can make soup, you can make ofada rice, you can make banana bread, you can make abacha, you can make anything and come online and sell, and people are going to buy from you. And also, if you are very good, people are going to be booking your catering service for their events. So the last but not the least is skincare. Skincare is a booming business in Nigeria and even all over the world, and that is because people want to look good. So if you're a skincare therapist and you know how to formulate good skincare products, you will make lots of money. Please, for the love of God, avoid those 1,000 naira WhatsApp classes and pay good money to learn well, so you do not spoil people's skin. Look for skincare gurus like Next Villa Glam, All Organics, Sparkle Bell, Lychee Ventures. They are all on Instagram. You can DM any one of them and learn from them. Learn how to formulate good skincare products so you do not spoil people's skin. And trust me, if you know how to formulate good skincare products, people are going to be referring customers to you. And lots of customers means what? Lots of money. You are going to be making money. So any of these skills you want to learn, please do well to make sure you are learning them very well so you can make money from it. Thank you guys so much for watching this video to the very end. Please like, share, subscribe, turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.